Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am. How are
How
you?
are you? I'm good. How are you today?
Yes, I am doing great. Thank you for
How
asking.
are your classes going?
Yes, classing are also going very well, well paced.
Okay. And what did you do on weekend?
This Sunday we visited in the famous park, which is the famous park of our city, Nico Park. Might you also know about it?
I haven't heard of it because I've never been to that place, but yes.
Okay, that is the famous park. So sometimes, like once in a blue moon, we visit there.
Okay, good usage of idiom right at the beginning.
Right, we should.
Right. So, did you get to practice on recording your voice, rehearing it again, or how's it?
Yes, I am doing.
All right.
I'm not too much serious about it, but I started.
Okay. Why not too much serious? Do you not get time, or how's it?
No, like means I am doing. I don't want to pressurize myself a lot. It otherwise
Okay.
it will break my fluency. So I
Or
don't want
confidence
to
as
do it.
well. So never mind, that's okay. But as and when you get see, it may sound simple, but it is very effective.
Yes, yes. Actually, I
Yeah.
will start.
Could you please rejoin again because my voice is echoing?
Okay, sure.
Yeah.
Yes. Now it's fine.
Yeah, it's fine. Thank you.
Okay.
All right. So today I have a topic. It's about eco-friendly practices.
Hmm.
So can we take up this topic?
Yes, sure. It seems very boring,
So then,
monotonous.
so never mind. So I'll change the topic and I'll pick up hypothetical questionings. Okay. So it's about what if I could.
Hmm.
Okay. So if I could, this is the topic's name, and then I'll be asking you questions. So now tell me, if you could be a celebrity for a day, which celebrity would you want to be and why?
Hmm. Okay.
Interesting now?
Yes, it's a spontaneous question. So,
Yes. So
okay.
now I want you to do some brainstorming and introspecting so that I get to hear some funny ideas also and some good ideas also.
Hmm. Okay.
Yeah.
Right. Hmm. So, well, if I could celebrity for one day,
I
I
could be a celebrity for one day.
so
Hmm.
I would definitely meet with Muniba Manzari because I can consider her as a celebrity.
Who is she?
She is a motivational speaker. Like she's a handicapped, but she struggled a lot in her life. But
Hmm.
now she has become famous, and she's resilient personality. And we
Okay.
can. She always make us motivate.
So you can pick up this, but the question was about if you could be a celebrity for a day, so you want to become this lady, right? This is what you're trying to say. All right. Go
Hmm.
ahead.
Okay.
Hmm.
So, yes. So, as I say that life is not full of bed of roses,
Very good.
whenever we talk about people, they often give us advice, right? Like we
Hmm.
should live life like this, like that. But most of them, when it comes to their own life, they are not able to be like others or like who are, resilient.
Hmm.
So if I want to experiment with my life, I would definitely try uh, to. I would definitely try to be bend without breaking. Try to be resilient. No matter how many difficulties, how many challenges I have to face, but anyhow I try to change and accept or embrace those moments wisely or gracefully, right?
Hmm.
So she is a lady like Muniba Banzari. She is a lady. Her husband divorced her because she met with an accident, and after that her husband wanted some another lady, obviously, right?
Hmm.
So for that reason she handled each and every situation, but she
Hmm.
never ever gave up. So I like this reality because what we need in our life,
Hmm.
As we know, life is full of tribulations. Every day we have to face new challenge, but whenever the life is in our favor, we always appreciate that moment. But the moment the life or the day is not in our favor, we want to give up. We of every day or entire day we just want to listen some motivational speaker, but still we feel that okay, I don't want such kind of life, how I embrace this life, so we
Hmm.
want to give up. So yes, if I could meet with Muniba Manzari, so I can change myself with her so that I could learn how to stay
Hmm.
resilient, that dedicate, and how to bend without breaking. So, and how to face and accept or embrace each and every moment, difficult situation of our life.
Okay. So, what was the word you said in the statement? Life is full of tremulation, you said?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, then it's fine because I heard it as stimulation and I thought that's an incorrect pronunciation. This is why I wanted to check. You said tremulation. If then it's okay.
Used tribulation,
Mm-hmm.
tribulations,
Tremulations, right?
tribulations.
Okay, or life is full of turbulence or
Hmm.
turmoils, right? Okay. Good vocabulary you have used, less number of idioms you have used. You need to work on the idioms part also,
Okay.
right?
Right.
Okay, but good attempt.
Hmm.
Okay, this is interesting. If you could be invisible for a day, what would you do?
Okay.
So, for example, if I get to become invisible for a day, I would love to eradicate corrupt people from the society or something like that, right? So I would like to expose rather these corrupt individuals because I'm invisible. Nobody can, take advantage of that, of the fact that I am there or who that person is who has exposed. So nobody will get to know that, and this is why I would love like, exposing corrupt individuals. So any similar thought that you have in your mind or any other thought,
Yes. In today's era, like crime rates are increasing day by day,
right?
right? Like the girls' rapes are there. So I
Mm-hmm.
really want to
Mm-hmm.
look for those men who are actually, create the situation and they want to rape of girls, right? So I want to find those men, and first I would slap them because I am invisible and they can't see me. And so if it would be possible for me, I would definitely try to kill them, because they just want to corrupt the society, right? Because of them, girls are not safe and they don't want to fly as they want, right? Like if I would like to go to somewhere at night, I am not in a safest place, or I can't go because of them, because
Mm-hmm.
they always have a evil eye on girls. So I really want to vanish those people from society so that we girls can feel safer in this world. So first, this is the mandatory part, or this is the mandatory thing in my life that I really want to vanish. And apart from that, na, sometimes I really irritate those people who really want to split on the road and just collect the garbage, piles of garbage every corner on the road. So I don't want those such kind of people. So if I am visible, first I just pick those people and ask them that why you don't believe in cleanliness, right? So I want to clean my society, so if other person or any from other country people come here, so they can see like this city is very decent and people, the educated people are living here, right? So
Okay.
because of some,
Right. Hmm.
the society is not look decent because of them only.
Okay. All right. Again, couple of words wherein I think the pronunciation could be better.
Hmm.
How do you say this word?
Evil.
Evil. Okay?
Evil.
Evil eye.
Hmm.
Because when you go in flow, sometimes the you mispronounce certain words. This is why I'm writing, okay?
Okay.
Otherwise, you might say it correctly. Now, how do you say this word?
Mandatory.
Mandatory.
Mandatory. Okay.
Mandatory. Not mandatory, it's mandatory. All right?
Mandate. Hmm.
Yeah. The next is, how do you say it?
Cleanliness.
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 Clan. Okay. Cleanliness.
Cleanliness. Okay? Because clean is other word. Okay? So if you change the form and write it in this manner, it has to be cleanliness.
Okay. Cleanliness.
So these were some of the words that I've picked. Now there is one place where you said you probably would like to see your society and see the cleanliness in it, right? So I don't think cleanliness was the word you were referring to, because you want to eradicate such people from the society so that our society is worth living. So I think worth living can be a better word option as compared to cleanliness, because cleanliness refers to your surroundings, and the literal meaning of cleanliness is you keep your surroundings clean.
Okay.
Whereas here the context was a bit different,
Hmm.
right?
Hmm.
Next, there was a place where you used educated people. I want the foreigners to know that educated people live here. So rather than that, you can say civilized people live here and not animals, right?
Okay.
If you
Civilized.
behave like animals, right? So these days, there are a lot of crimes that are happening. And this is the reason I would like to curb the crimes from the society or eradicate it completely. One such crime that I wish to talk about or eradicate is rapes that are happening. So, be it child's rape or any other rape we can talk about. Uh, this is one such issue which is impacting our society, right? And I would definitely, if I get to be invisible for a day, I would definitely like to address this issue and rather ask those individuals who, commit this horrendous crime, that what is their thinking behind this awful act, right? So I want to change their thinking. Maybe if I can uh, give them proper counseling, or maybe if I get to change their mind, I can. Otherwise, I would kill such individuals.
Okay.
This is what you wanted to say, right?
Right.
All right. Now tell me, if you could be a character in any book or movie, who would you be?
Hmm. Okay. Uh, any kind of character, like.
Any kind of character. Let's suppose you have a favorite movie and you absolutely love a character or adore a character. So you can just pick that up and say that I want to become this. Or if you are an avid reader, so
Hmm.
definitely you would have come across a lot of novels, fiction work, or stories.
Hmm.
Any character you can pick from there also.
Hmm. Okay. So well, actually, I like Amir Khan, the character he
Amazing.
plays. Yes, the role he plays, and it's a very appealing.
Hmm.
Apart from that, he is a charismatic personality.
Hmm.
Whenever I watch his movies, it seems that I am not only motivating myself, and I can learn a lot,
Hmm.
right? For instance, the movie PK,
Hmm.
right? And one more, Tare Zameen Par.
Hmm.
These two movies I watched his so far, and I really liked the way he presented his himself
Hmm.
in the movie PK,
Hmm.
and right. So where we can see ourselves, like there is no fear of society, of
Hmm.
people, and how he is wearing,
Hmm.
not wearing, is it right, wearing,
How is making people aware?
how he's making people aware, by by presenting himself, by giving us some brilliant ideas, whatever they have, because I can see it is not a cup of tea of everyone,
For
right?
everyone. Okay.
For everyone, right? Like
Hmm.
it's not a cake walk for me. Even like if I have to present myself in front of someone, most of the time I forget the things, my
Okay.
gestures, my body language, I
Mhm.
can't present. But he tries to present himself like the people want, and I would like to be
Hmm.
like him as a character.
All right. So again, you have good ideas in place. You said he's a very appealing character. So if it's about it's a very appealing character, then it's okay. Otherwise, it's very appealing. You have to omit the article a.
Okay, right. Oh.
It's very appealing. That's what you said. And you have to omit the article because stands for one and you can't count appealing,
Hmm. Okay.
right?
Right.
This is one. Second is he's a very charismatic character or something like that. You said he has a. You said he's a very charismatic personality. So
Hmm.
he has a very charismatic personality.
He has. Okay.
Rather than using is, you have to say he has a very charismatic personality. Next, there was one place I've already corrected. You have used of, rather you have to use for in that particular place.
Yes.
Apart from it, you are trying to use idioms also. Cakewalk was one such idiom that I could spot. And then there was one more place you used an idiom. I accident somehow missed writing it, but otherwise you're trying to use it. So
Hmm.
try to use as many idioms as possible, and you are able to speak through the length. Let's suppose I've asked you a question. It's not like you're stopping after one or two sentences. So that is the most important part, which you are doing pretty well on, right? So kudos to you for the efforts that you're putting. You are putting in your sincere efforts. I can see that, right? It is just that some places, especially because of the MTI, I believe this is the reason the word becomes character and it has to be character, right? So the mother tongue influence is there and we can work on it. So we can record our voice, we can rehear it again so that the MTI gets worked upon,
Okay.
right? So it's
Right.
not like the message is distorted or something like that. I just believe it is only because of the language, native language. Sometimes we tend to, apply the same accent to the English words also.
Right. I started actually, but
Hmm.
I think as I am a housewife and I have a daughter, I have managed each and everything together. So I
Right.
started, but with little things like for 5 minutes, 10 minutes. I try to get time 5 or 10 minutes.
That's okay. That's
So
absolutely okay.
I think that after 3 or 6 months, I would get that. Mm.
Yeah, because there was a student of mine, he said, so today was our first session together, and he has been taking sessions with English Yari. So it's like he said a year back, I could not utter more than two sentences, and now I'm able to. And by the speech that he's giving, probably you could never figure out that he was anytime bad with this particular language, or he never had a command on this language. It was very hard for me to believe. It was a hard pill to swallow, actually.
Yes.
So it happens, right? With practice, eventually you're going to rectify the minor errors here and there.
Right.
Okay. So thank you so much for your time again. Again, Meenakshi, it was lovely interacting with you, and I got to see you after a long time. Actually, I don't know for what reasons. Maybe you were busy or something like that.
No, no. Actually, I am attending sessions actually every day.
Okay.
Sometimes the times issue, like whenever I get
Right.
time, your slots are not free. So
Right,
that.
right, right. No worries, no worries. But you are actually doing pretty well. Just keep the momentum going, and whatever errors are there, we are there to help you, especially with the pronunciation part. All right. Thank you so much, Meenakshi. Take care. Bye. Have a nice day.
Bye, bye, bye. Likewise. Bye.
Yeah, bye.